Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. So we just finished up this beautiful 2013 Harley Davidson Street Glide. This was the first bike we've done to get the new Soundstream 9813 single DIN CarPlay radio. This is a really nice radio. I really like this radio. Weatherproof, factory fit, plug and play, really strong outputs out of the RCA. Wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and a good looking head unit. So there was a lot of people that didn't like the oversized screen solution for the Street Glides and the Road Glide. So the Road Glide was the oval pill that took up the entire opening, and then especially on the Street Glides. On the Street Glide, it's a single DIN opening, but in order to accommodate the CarPlay screen, they made it larger and it took up some of the buttons. Some clients didn't like that. This one fits in the regular opening. It's a wide screen. It's not tall, but it's really wide. They did a really good job with the layout, but more on that later when I do a video just on the radio. For this bike, we did Cicada 10s, sealed imported, factory bags. We did Sound Digital 1600.1. We did a Cicada 700.4 DSP Pro amplifier, both in the fairing. Cicada 6.5s in the fairing, and NVS Audio AK4 oxygen-free copper wiring kit, NVS Audio RCAs, and then the bike was RTA tuned. We also did a lithium battery upgrade. Bike sounds phenomenal, sounds great, looks great. Check out the build.
You'll see the light, key the line, money, power, respect, eating line, money, power, respect, eating right, money, power, respect, money, power, respect, money, power, respect, key the line.
Only time to tell how the clock tick. I really love him, but I'm still a hostage. Two personalities, check the posture. Smoke out the mouth, flare out the nostrils. Thinking death, the life seems scary. I pass the graveyard, seeing people here married. I ain't chillin'. I'm out parachute, race my man and I don't find for about 10 diamonds, 25,000 B's, fuck streets, trying to own the island, forget about wildin', try riding, in the car that be gliding, if I showed you where I live, you would think I was hiding, snake dick, the chicks that don't speak English, wake up to Trinidad, like fucking I'm rich,